Alright, to begin our iMovie instructional module, we are going to actually begin right with the camera app. So we're going to talk a bit about how you will prepare yourself to create an iMovie. So in my camera app, I'm going to do all my video ahead of time. And I truly think this is the best way to create an iMovie. So let's say I'm going to be creating a video on how to simplify fractions, or just a demonstration of simplifying fractions, and I'm going to use some playing cards. So I'm going to go ahead and begin taking my video just within the camera app. I'm just doing a couple different things here to take some various footage, and you'll see how this will kind of turn out into an iMovie at the end. Now, what is important to note is to try and keep your camera steady and to not worry about messing up or overshooting video, because that's what the purpose of iMovie is to be able to make these adjustments and edits. Of course, we'll also be able to take some photos in our iMovie, so we can take a couple still shots as well. Don't forget that the camera comes with a self timer if you need to use this timer to take a picture of yourself if you do not have somebody to record you. Alright, so we've taken the photos and videos that we needed, but of course we need to go in and edit them. Before we even open iMovie, we're going to organize the photos and videos that we need so that they are more accessible. When I open up my camera roll app, I'm going to go ahead and select some of the items that I know I'm going to use. Now, I'm going to be using this video right here, and I'm going to go ahead and add it to a new album. I'm going to create an album called Simplifying Fractions, and I'm going to be using this album and any media inside this album for my particular iMovie that I'm going to create. I'm going to want to add my photos to this album as well by hitting select, selecting these two photos, and then hitting add to, and now I'm going to find that album I've just created. Another easy way to kind of put your photos or videos or any of your media into an album is by clicking on these particular items and adding them to your favorites. You can simply do that by clicking on the picture or video and clicking the heart button in the top right. Once we have organized all of our media, it's time to begin with iMovie.